In this video, we cover all the initial setup steps to get started with the Hikvision 4G network camera connected using a LAN to an internet router or modem. We'll walk through configuring the internet and setting up the Hikconnect mobile app to add the camera. Memory card installation. Before starting, make sure the camera is powered off. This will help protect both the card and the camera. The microSD card slot is located on top of the camera. To access it, gently tilt the camera lens downward. Insert the memory card as demonstrated in the video, ensuring it is securely fitted in the slot. Power up the camera. To power up the camera, connect it to a power source using the provided DC power adapter. Also, connect the Cat6 LAN cable between the camera and your internet modem or router. Once plugged in, the camera will start its sequence. You'll notice the PT lens rotate once, indicating the camera is turning on. Initially, a red light will illuminate, showing that the camera is booting up. As the booting completes, the red light will switch to a flashing blue light. This blue light signifies that the camera is ready for further configuration. You'll also hear a voice announcement confirming network connectivity. Download and install the Hikconnect app. To download and install the Hikconnect app, start by opening the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Use the search bar to type Hikconnect and locate the app developed by Hikvision. Tap on the app to access its page, then click the Install button, accepting any permissions if prompted. This process usually takes a few minutes. Once installed, you can launch the app directly by tapping Open or by finding the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Upon first opening, you'll be asked to select your region, which is important to ensure optimal performance and connectivity with local servers. If you already have a Hikconnect account, simply log in using the phone number or email address associated with your account. Navigate to the login screen, enter your credentials in the designated fields, and tap the Login button to access your account. For those new to Hikconnect, you will need to register first. You can choose to register using either your email or mobile number. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address and create a strong password, ensuring it meets the app's security requirements, typically a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your email and password, complete the CAPTCHA verification to prove you're not a robot. Once completed, a verification code will be sent to your email address. Check your email for this code and return to the app to enter it in the appropriate field, confirming your ownership of the email address. You can also link your phone number for easier future logins. For enhanced security, the app offers options for face recognition or biometric authentication, such as fingerprint scanning, if your device supports it. Activating these features adds an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring that only you can access your data and camera settings without needing to enter a password each time. When configuring the Hikvision 4G camera to the LAN network, it's crucial to keep it positioned near your phone during the initial setup. Once everything is configured, you can move the camera to your desired location. Before starting, confirm that the camera is in network connection mode. If needed, press the reset button to activate the camera and prepare it for linking to the app. To add the camera in the Hikconnect app, simply tap on Add Device or the plus symbol, then choose the option to scan a QR code. At this point, the app will request permission to access your photos, which is necessary for utilizing your device's camera scanner effectively. After granting this permission, look for the QR code on your camera's body. It's usually found on a sticker. Hold your smartphone so that the camera scanner can clearly see the QR code, and the app will automatically recognize and process it. This QR code contains vital identification and configuration information for the camera, and once scanned, the app will guide you through the subsequent steps, including adding it to your Hikconnect account. Once the camera is online and connected to the Hikconnect account, you'll hear a voice prompt confirming that the setup is complete and the camera is ready to use. While audio recording is disabled by default, you can enable it if needed. This section of the app also allows you to adjust date and time settings, including the date format. Additionally, you'll have the option to give your device a name and specify its location. After configuring these settings, you can access live streaming from your camera, allowing you real-time monitoring capabilities. During setup, you can change the default verification code for your camera's live feed, which is essential if you plan to share access with others.
The device is activated. Network connected. Scan the QR code to add the device by Hikconnect app.
Customizing this code enhances security, allowing you to control who can view your camera's streaming content. Choose a unique and memorable code, and be sure to note it down, as you'll need to share it with anyone granted access. After changing the code, remember to confirm and save your settings in the app to ensure the security of your camera's feed. After successfully configuring the LAN network and adding the camera to the Hikconnect app, you can proceed to install the camera in its designated location. This step is vital for ensuring that the camera is optimally positioned for monitoring the desired area. Once installed, the camera becomes fully operational, offering features such as live streaming, which allows you to view real-time footage directly from your smartphone or tablet, no matter where you are. The playback feature makes it easy to access previously recorded footage, so you can review events that occurred while you were away. Additionally, the PTZ, pan-tilt-zoom, control adds flexibility, letting you remotely adjust the camera's angle and zoom in on specific areas as needed. To check the status of the memory card, navigate to the camera settings, then go to the record list and select Storage Medium. If the card shows as uninitialized, choose Storage Medium again and click the Initialize button to format the card for recording. Once successfully initialized, the card status will change to In Use, and its storage capacity will be displayed. You can access recorded footage playback by switching to the SD card storage view. By default, the camera will record motion detection or event recordings, and you can adjust this recording mode to suit your needs. All these features can be easily accessed through the Hikconnect app, which functions seamlessly over mobile data or Wi-Fi worldwide. This means you can monitor your property in real time, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. For more detailed information and further clarification on various settings and functionalities, be sure to check out additional segments of this video series, which will provide comprehensive explanations. If you found this video useful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Your contributions help us create more informative content and ensure we can continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's by liking the video, sharing it with others, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support truly makes a difference and is greatly appreciated. Thank you for being part of our community.